In this video, we're going to review the mouse buttons that are used to control the screen in AutoCAD. If you want to follow along, open AutoCAD. Start a new drawing using the New tool. Remember to use the AutoCAD template. Let's review some basic mouse control terminology while moving inside the drawing area. There are a variety of mouse types, but we will discuss the common 2-button mouse that has a middle scroll wheel. To illustrate the use of the mouse, let's start the line command by left-clicking on it. Left-click anywhere on the screen and drag your cursor. The left mouse button is called the pick button, and it is used to select things such as objects, tools, windows. When you use the left mouse button, we will say something like pick on that tool or object, or select that line, or click on the OK button. We may also say something like click and drag the cursor, click, drag the cursor, which means click and release the left button and drag the cursor across the screen. While press and drag means press and hold the left mouse button while moving the cursor. The right mouse button is the context button, used to display menus that depend on the context of the drawing operation you're performing. When we use the right mouse button, we'll say something like right-click to bring up the context menu, which we'll do right now. Right-click brings up the context menu. We're going to select Enter to finish the command, and the command is completed. The middle scroll button is the View button, and is used to control the view of the objects in the drawing area. Scrolling the wheel will magnify or reduce the view of objects in the drawing area. Scrolling upwards zooms in, scrolling downward zooms out. Holding down on the wheel and moving the cursor will move the view of the objects. It's not moving the objects themselves. Press and drag on the scroll wheel, and then release. Lastly, a double click on the wheel will cause the view to display all the current objects on the screen. This is called zoom extents. Takes a little while to get used to. Double click on the wheel mouse, and as you can see, the screen is now filled with the extent of the line we just drew. Use the wheel to slightly zoom out. If you like, you can save this drawing, or you can just continue on to the next video. To save this drawing, go up to the Save button, click on it. Now, we have created a folder called AutoCAD Train. I would suggest you create a folder such as this to locate all your files in that you're going to be working on in these exercises. So we've opened the AutoCAD Train folder, and now we're going to type in the name of the file, My First, and press Save. You now can close down AutoCAD or continue on to the next video.